Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find proper section which is called Accounts and Backup or Google. It's basically up to you which you prefer. I would like to use the Accounts and Backup, so let me tap on it, and then we have to tap on Manage Accounts at the top. Now let's tap on Add Account and choose Google. And make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, let's tap on Next. As you can see, you can enter only the first part of the email and your device will autofill it. So here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you will have the information. Then let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and if you want to learn more about the backup, I highly recommend to check our video about it. So as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it, just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.